Na gabinta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u antorni bor bam ta kasni. Ka jingtum kre pun khrum katnat election ki election MDC jingki artali ki ying darbar thawan ke district council ka HADC but ka GHADC limba katnat DCA la pun tebet da ki election bala pendap ekakam ka bre banra banrong ki tiar kita na kapta ka jingthat vote ha ki HADC. Da ka jingthat vote ka bala bo banong hakeleng ki news pa arko tli ki station ki officer election ki bala binshat haki constituency mouse ram mau kenro bat nong gram ki laya lingba ki babnya nang bana ban pendep hong ki kamram jamki labu ya ka postal ballot cell ka ba aila ki nong tre sarkar ki badan kam election bakin thap vote lupa nalor kata na tharu ya ka medical cell ban ai ka jingkashan badan kam hakalen ka kot kya ya ki nong tre haki jaka thap vote shaban phai ban pendikna bakan late ka wan kan long basuk lapan beni ki kali ban poi ki officer shala ki jong ki jaka that vote bat ban wan phai bian shala ki jong ki chnong hadin bala pen scam bha ya ki electronic voting machines EVMS ha strong room ki bor penyat ki lapan tikna ba baro ki jingpin kre ki don haga jaka jongki ka ba pentikna ya ka jingnet jingwan ka basuk ham jingthun nadu bala pen kam ya ka model code of conduct MCC omsham na don kanu ka jingpin khin an adu arspa up south li ki polling station na ithu kum ki polling station bala ban mi jingkulma but badan jingma hagene ki election Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council KHADC but Janti Hills Autonomous District Council JHADC banong la urimhang Karkum katilong khubor bala penmi o commissioner and secretary katna district council affairs DCA ba Zairul Dingdo hadu shispa arthdai ki polling station nagashia jan ruspa group khandai ki kidai ki bahab hapo upot usam ka KHADC ka sarkar limba ki board district labu por pahara ka bakhan hagini ki jaka ban pentikna ya ki election ko ka bayat bet rinti nagaliang gi board pulit limba ki SP ki las house kam ban na penyat bet ki election na bakila wanra bon bha ki board pulit benthop ki home guard bar kumta kam dan jindina satya